this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and welcome to SheModern Saturday. Today we are going to be doing, on here, where are they? It says Stencil 1 in S in parentheses. We are doing the squiggly little line here. It goes from green to blue to purple. We will have this design on 2 nails. I am using this beautiful green color by Beauty. It is a new US brand. It's the sister company of Unique in the UK. This color here is P368. I love this color. I think this is a gorgeous color. Whoops. It's got a little bit of a shimmer to it. Beautiful color. I just love it. So let's take a gander at it for just a second. Let's appreciate that color. It's beautiful. We're going to be having the lines, the stencils on the index and the ring finger. So I am going to be using the glue gel by SheModern. Most products here on SheModern Saturday are by SheModern. Try to get the best full coverage you can on the nail from cuticle to tip, from sidewall to sidewall. So we're going to coat our nails. We're going to put them in the lamp for 30 to 60 seconds depending on your lamp. So we're going to give those a cure. Oops. Whoopsie. We forgot a nail. This is going to be our sugar nail. I'm also using the glue gel. So we're going to get this covered. Make sure you get your sides real good. So I'm going to put this one in as well. Alright. Okay, we are going to get us a palette out. So I'm going to be needing that. I'm going to use my Ice Cube Stamper by Maniology to put my decals on. And they are longer than my stamper. So, alright, we are, whoops. Gotta make sure we line this up really well. Which I didn't do. We have a little bit of overage at the bottom, so I'm just going to come in with my scissors and cut this off. Because using the stencil glue, the glue gel, you can't go back and realign your stencil. So we are going to be putting some bling on. And I did use, people always talk about what they use to put their bling on. I normally use my no gloss, no wipe top coat, no gloss, listen to me. My no wipe top coat. So, and then everybody raves about using a base coat. So I've done that recently. Tried it out, loved it. Worked really well. So that's what we're going to use here. On these 2 nails, we're going to put us some bling. And I'm only going to put this across the top of the nail where the bling is going to go. I'm really not certain of my pattern right now. I'm going to wing it. So I'm just going to put this over the top portion of the nail so that no matter where I go, it's covered. Let me just going to pop them all back in the lamp because it's easier. Base coat, the product we are using is Beauty. These are 10 ml bottles. I got these off of Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box. I covered in a video 2 different sets, 21 piece collections. Love the products. I just, there's nothing bad I can say about them. Totally love them. Very reasonably priced. They are a new and upcoming company, I guess you could say. And one of the collections, which this is from, this green is from the collection I'm speaking of. Don't remember the name of it, but I will put that link in the description box as well. I have a 20% off code you put in the discount box at checkout. It is 20 Cherie, but it's only for one specific collection. Plus, on the page when you go to it, there's a box you can check for 20% off coupon. So you're getting 40% off the original price of the collection. I just think that's amazing. I really do. So here's our bling. Ooh, we have got some blue, dark blue, and our clear AB. Let's see, what am I gonna do here? What is I gonna do? We shall see, we shall see. All the ones I got are not up right. We got 2 different gems, I believe, here. Yep. So now we're going to go in with Solittles. I don't know the sizes of my gems. That is something I need to learn. And they sparkle. Love, love, love when they sparkle. Can you see them sparkling? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You know, they don't want to release sometimes. Beautiful. Beautiful. So check out SheModern.com for, well, not the gems. Gonna pop that one in the lamp, give it a flash cure. Here is our gem placement. I'm going to pop these into the lamp. With those in the lamp, we are going to top coat our nails with the decals. So everything can be finished together. So you get full coverage on your nail. Sand that brush out. Gives you a nice glossy coat. And I have decided, where is my thing, to put me a bling at the top of each one of these nails here. Just to add some sparkle to it. There we go, there we go, there we go. Now, we're going to pop these in the lamp. We are going to give each one a full cure. What do you think so far? I think these are really pretty. See, I'm going to pop these in. Give these a full 60-second cure, and we will be back in a flash. Alrighty, we are back and fresh out of the lamp. I think this turned out very nice. I really like it, and I hope you do too. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my mani. We got us a nice, beautiful sugar nail here. Some great gem placement. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. Leave them down in the comment box below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future uploads, giveaways, and any information I think you may need to know. So, join me again. If you are new, thank you for being here. Thank you everyone for being here, but leave me a comment down below. Let me know that you came through. Give the video a like so I know what content you like and you don't like. If you have any suggestions, leave those down in the comment box. Or I have a community tab here on YouTube, and you can leave stuff there for me as well. Well, have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.